Welcome to Business Money. In this episode, we explore compact but powerful machines that can transform your workspace into a small, efficient production hub. Cardboard boxes are usually discarded after unpacking, although they can be usefully recycled. A cardboard shredding machine turns unwanted packaging into a soft and flexible material that replaces bubble wrap and is suitable for reuse. The machine cuts the cardboard into strips or a mesh, making it ideal for protecting goods during transportation. This solution is especially in demand in warehouses, online stores, and manufacturing facilities where large amounts of packaging waste are generated daily. The equipment costs between $2,000 and $5,000, and its use helps reduce packaging material expenses and make the delivery process more eco-friendly. Creating unique t-shirts, mugs, and bags has become easier with a heat transfer press. The equipment heats and transfers the image onto the surface of the item, preserving the brightness and clarity of the design. The size and power of the press determine how many items can be processed per day, from several dozen to 100, which is convenient for fulfilling merchandise or customized gift orders. The device costs between $200 and $300, and its compact design allows it to be placed even in a small workshop. Handmade pottery is becoming incredibly popular. You can start a business making such items with a pottery wheel. Equipment for manual and semi-automatic production of ceramic dishes, decorative items, and souvenirs costs from $50 to $800. The wheel is equipped with a variable speed electric motor and is suitable for both beginners and experienced artisans. It's a great choice for creative workshops, handcraft studios, and home-based businesses. The cost per item is $1 to $3, while retail prices range from $10 to $50 depending on the design. Even with modest sales, you can earn $2,000 to $4,000 per month. This cake decorating machine applies cream, glaze, inscriptions, and intricate patterns with high precision. It works using preset templates, supports multicolor decoration, and is ideal for custom cakes. Output is up to 120 items per hour. Equipment costs range from $6,000 to $12,000. It's perfect for bakeries, cake shops, and confectionery production, where speed and quality matter. Automation reduces manual labor and increases volume. With retail markup, profits from the machine can reach $5,000, $8,000 per month. It's an ideal solution for scaling a sweet business. The magic of personalized mugs is available to everyone with this compact press. The machine is designed for heat transfer of images onto ceramic products using heat and pressure. Special transfer paper and films are needed for operation, which transfer the image onto the mug surface in just a few minutes. The press is equipped with temperature adjustment and a timer, ensuring precision and consistent results. Such devices typically cost between $150 and $250, making them suitable for a home business without major investments. Potential profits depend on the volume of orders. Producing a few mugs a day can generate income that covers the costs and gradually expands the product range with minimal risks. Today, manicures are a long and meticulous process, and even applying prints to nails takes time and effort. But there's an interesting solution for this too: fingernails to go. This device, operating like a classic coffee vending machine, can quickly apply the desired, including personalized images to a customer's nails for a fee. All that's needed is to purchase a set of organic press-on nails and polish before applying the image. Prints can be applied to both natural nails and ready-made sets. This type of machine is commonly used by beauty salons, kiosk owners in malls, entrepreneurs in the beauty industry, and even vendors in resort areas. The average price of the equipment is around $4,000 to $4,500. It's not just a gadget, but a complete solution for quick services, gifts, and steady income. How often have you come across coffee with some kind of print? The EveBot coffee printer machine is one of the gadgets that allows you to make designs on served coffee, and not only on coffee, but on any foamy drink, for example, beer. This automatic printer can apply either a ready-made design or a personalized one, even from an image on a mobile phone, thanks to QR code device connectivity. For $1,500 to $1,600, such a printer becomes an indispensable customer magnet in any coffee shop or bar, especially in resort or high traffic areas, as it makes every pint of beer or cup of coffee truly personalized and unique. Thus, by attracting more customers with a special touch, this coffee printer can easily pay for itself within a month of use. An even cheaper option is the classic mug heat press. Compared to the previous compact model, this one has several downsides. It's bulkier, less automated, and requires prep work such as applying heat-resistant film and the print itself. However, its advantage is that it works with any mug, regardless of shape, size, or material. It costs barely $100 and has slightly fewer features than its competitors, but it can still generate income, especially with bulk resale of mugs at markup. Expected daily profit is around $200 to $300, which is still excellent for such a low-cost machine. Sewing machines and overlockers come in a wide variety of types and specializations, and carpet overlockers are one of them. Carpet overlockers are used to finish the edges of joined fabrics, giving rugs and mats a rounded edge and improving their durability. They can also be used to refurbish old carpets by trimming worn edges and sewing on new ones. Their lightweight construction allows for faster edging, improving mobility. Carpet overlockers are indispensable in the textile industry and in working with heavy fabrics. The most advanced and high-speed overlockers cost about $6,000 to $7,000, making them a reasonable investment for large-scale carpet manufacturing. Creality K1C is a high-speed 3D printer that reaches up to 600 millimeters per second thanks to its Core XY system and 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration. It features automatic calibration for easy setup and comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles: 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 millimeters, and 2 kilograms of PLA filament. The printer supports PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Priced at $617.99, it can pay for itself in 1 to 2 months. Printing small items at $5 each with a $1 to $2 cost. Selling 150 to 200 pieces covers the investment. Plastic shredding equipment allows used bottles, containers, canisters, and other products to be turned into small fragments suitable for further recycling. Its operating principle is simple. The material is fed into a hopper where rotating blades shred the plastic into pieces of the required size. After shredding, the resulting mass can be directed for melting, granulating, or use in the production of new products. These machines are widely used at recycling facilities, workshops, and warehouses where plastic waste needs to be reduced in volume. The cost of the equipment ranges from $3,000 to $8,000 depending on power and productivity. At full capacity, it can generate up to $5,000 in profit per month. Dematron DM1380 CNC sewing machine is built for high precision, high-speed stitching, ideal for furniture, automotive, and upholstery production. It handles a range of materials, including leather and vinyl, while delivering consistent, high-quality results. With a price of $28,000, it can pay for itself in about 1.5 months under high-volume conditions, making it a smart investment for scaling operations and reducing labor costs. Available through the Dematron website and authorized distributors, this machine helps businesses boost efficiency and stay competitive in demanding industries. The Creality Falcon 2 Pro 40-watt laser engraver is a high-performance tool for precise engraving and cutting across materials like wood, acrylic up to 20 millimeters, metal, and leather. It features an HD camera for accurate positioning and batch processing, boosting productivity. Safety features include a fire-resistant metal body, auto shut-off when opened, and a smoke filtration system. Compatible with laser GRBL and light burn, it offers flexible software options. Priced at $1,559, it can pay for itself in 2.5 months with 10 daily $20 profit orders. With lighter use, payback is 4 to 6 months. Available on Amazon. Portable Vevor Ice Maker is a convenient and affordable option for always having fresh ice on hand, producing up to 70 pounds, 31.75 kilograms of ice daily in 36 cubes every 8 to 15 minutes. It suits home kitchens, small offices, or event use. With 350 watt power and automatic cleaning, it runs efficiently and hygienically. The ABS plastic body offers durability and strong insulation to slow down melting. Priced around $190 on Amazon, it can pay for itself in a few months by cutting costs on packaged ice, ideal for regular use in small businesses or social settings. Zone Pack Automatic Liquid Dispenser is a fast, accurate tool for filling oils, perfumes, juices, and more. It handles up to 1.5 liters per minute and works with liquids up to 100 degrees Celsius. An intelligent sensor ensures precise fills without spills, and an anti-drip system reduces waste. Priced at $319 on Amazon, it pays for itself quickly. Just 107 bottles at a $3 profit per unit. With 30 bottles filled daily, the investment is recouped in about 4 days. It's a reliable, time-saving solution for small businesses needing efficient liquid packaging. The Samurai 120HV1 desktop CNC milling machine is a compact, high-precision tool designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It features a 1.2 kilowatt spindle with 5.5 Newton meters torque, up to 6,400 RPM, and 0.005 millimeters accuracy. Its 320 by 180 by 240 millimeters working area handles complex parts with ease, while a solid steel frame ensures stability. Prices range from $6,252 base model to $12,751 dual tool changer. With a 30% average markup and daily output of 50 parts, the machine can pay for itself in 6 to 12 months. Available from the official Samurai Machine Tools website. Ice cream production is a profitable business that can be started with a small investment. One cycle can freeze 30-40 servings of ice cream in 15 to 20 minutes using water, juice, yogurt, or milk mixtures. The machine costs between $3,000 and $6,000. It's perfect for cafes, street vendors, and ice cream makers. The cost per serving is about $1, and the retail price can be up to $5. This allows monthly earnings of up to $4,000 even with modest output. Vevor Commercial Ice Cream Maker is a high-capacity machine with a 2,200-watt compressor producing 20 to 28 liters or 5.3 to 7.4 gallons of ice cream per hour. It features two 6-liter containers made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, ensuring safety and durability. Priced at $1,199.99 on Amazon, it offers 3 flavors, 2 single and 1 mixed for variety. An LCD control panel simplifies operation, while automatic cleaning eases maintenance. At $3 per serving and $1 in costs, profit per sale is $2. Selling 50 servings daily covers the investment in about 12 days, making it a fast return, profitable option. The automatic key cutting machine is a highly efficient piece of equipment for automatically cutting keys with maximum precision and minimal effort. With this machine, you can make copies of keys for homes, cars, safes, and other types of locks. It is equipped with digital control, making it easy to adjust settings and cut keys according to specified templates. The machine is ideal for use in workshops, service centers, and even automatic kiosks where high-speed and precise operations are required. Nail-making machine Z94-3C, a profitable home-based small business idea. This machine produces up to 280 nails per minute from wire with a diameter of 2 to 3.5 millimeters and a length of 40 to 80 millimeters. That's approximately 1 kilogram of output per minute. Nails are widely used in construction, renovation, and furniture manufacturing. The approximate cost of the equipment is from $2,500. More than 100 kilograms of nails can be produced per day. When sold wholesale at $1 to $1.5 per kilogram, the margin can reach up to $100 per day or more with direct sales. The machine takes up little space, is easy to maintain, and pays for itself quickly, ideal for launching a simple and reliable home business. High-precision automated processing is essential in furniture and advertising structure manufacturing, and the ATC-CNC nesting machine delivers exactly that. With a 9-kilowatt spindle, 12-position automatic tool changer, and 1,300 by 2,500 millimeters work area, it handles cutting, drilling, and milling tasks with minimal manual input. A vacuum table ensures material stability, and the user-friendly Syntec control system suits even beginners. Prices vary by volume: $18,000 per unit, 1 to 2 units, $16,000, 3 to 9, and $12,000, 10 plus. With a $50 profit per cabinet front, just 360 units cover the investment. At 10 units per day, the machine pays off in 36 work days, faster with higher output. Available on Alibaba, it boosts profits and reduces reliance on third-party suppliers. The EPEX Combo vending machine offers a smart, space-saving way to sell snacks and drinks from a single unit. It features remote inventory and revenue monitoring, accepts multiple payment methods, cash, card, contactless, and is energy efficient, ideal for offices, malls, and schools. Priced at $3,400 on Amazon, it delivers strong ROI, with a 70% average markup and 50 daily sales, generating $2 to $4 profit per item. The machine can pay for itself in just 3 to 4 months. In high traffic locations, it becomes a reliable, low maintenance income source for entrepreneurs or businesses. Tauto new TRF 3000 is a powerful 1800-watt electric melting furnace designed for processing non-ferrous metals like gold, silver, copper, and aluminum. It reaches up to 2,102 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,150 degrees Celsius, melting most metals within 30 to 40 minutes. The kit includes 1 kilogram and 3 kilogram graphite crucibles plus an ingot mold, making it ready for immediate use. A digital PID temperature controller ensures precise, stable heating and protects against overheating. Priced at $299.99, the furnace can pay for itself in about a month if melting 3 kilograms of silver daily with a 50 cents per gram profit. Ideal for jewelers, recyclers, and pawn shops, it's a practical and profitable tool. Philips HR 2371/05 automatic noodle maker is an affordable way to start a fresh pasta business. Priced at $179.95 on Amazon, it kneads and shapes up to 450 grams of pasta in just 18 minutes. 4 attachments let you make spaghetti, fettuccine, penne, and lasagna. Easy to clean parts make it ideal for daily use. With $2 cost per serving and $5 sale price, profit is $3 per serving. Even with just 10 servings a day, you can earn $900 monthly and recover the cost in about a week. Great fit for cafes, restaurants, or home-based food businesses. Roti Maker is an 1800-watt electric machine designed for making Indian flatbreads like roti, chapati, or even pizza bases. It features a non-stick surface, thermostat control, and a lightweight plastic and steel build. Priced from $288 bulk to $459 single unit. It's available on Alibaba with secure transactions and 30-day delivery, with rotis costing 23 cents each and sold in packs of 10 for $2.30. Selling 2,000 rotis covers a $459 investment. At 100 rotis per day, the machine pays for itself in just 20 days, ideal for small food businesses or home use. The Paneer vacuum packing machine extends shelf life and preserves product freshness by preventing oxidation and the growth of microorganisms. The cost of the equipment ranges from $500 to $5,000, depending on the model and capacity. It is suitable for small and large production facilities, occupying less space and protecting the product from external impacts. Salsa 2 is a lightweight and compact photo booth, perfect for events. It assembles in 5 minutes without tools, features built-in LED lighting, and operates with an iPad. It supports various shooting formats, photos, GIFs, videos, and boomerangs, and integrates with social networks through the Fiesta Pro software. Its mobility, ease of use, and stylish design make it an ideal choice for beginner operators. The animal feed production machine is used to process raw materials into high-quality feed. The process includes grinding, mixing, extruding, or pelletizing various ingredients such as grains, protein supplements, and vitamins to create nutritious mixes for different types of animals. These machines can be configured to produce feed for pets, livestock, or even fish. Depending on the machine type, the process may include several stages: heating ingredients, mixing them, forming pellets or powder, and packaging. The aluminum container machine is used for producing disposable containers from aluminum foil, widely used in the food industry. The process includes feeding the foil, pressing, forming, cooling, cutting, and packaging the finished products. The cost of such machines ranges from $9,980 to $90,000 depending on the type, semi-automatic or fully automatic, and productivity. Semi-automatic machines are suitable for small businesses, while fully automatic lines ensure high productivity with minimal operator involvement. With this machine, steel and aluminum sheets can be transformed into real metal roofing tiles. Depending on the model, the method varies. The sheets may be bent using rotating metal rollers or pressed periodically from both sides. The resulting metal tiles, which can be used as roofing for buildings under construction, are primarily of interest to builders and homeowners. On average, a tile sheet 1 meter wide costs around $4 to $5 per piece. These machines can easily produce up to 80 meters of roofing per hour, allowing for a profit margin of $320 per hour. The cost of such machines, requiring no special operating conditions, ranges from $10,000 to $25,000, and with active production, such high investments are quickly recouped. The Funsun UV printer operates similarly but can print vibrant images not only on paper but also on leather, plastic, and many other surfaces. Its capabilities are broad: mass production of phone cases, playing cards, stickers, custom apparel and decor designs, signage, branded products, award certificates, and much more. Costing $5,500, this UV printer offers huge business potential and can pay for itself rapidly. The concrete pipe making machine is an incredibly profitable business, as these pipes are used in construction and utility infrastructure. At the first stage, a metal frame is produced, giving the final product strength. Then, concrete mix fills the mold with rebar. In a few hours, a finished pipe section is ready. The machine costs from $25,000, but with proper sales to construction companies, the investment can be recouped in just 2 to 3 months. This business is ideal for those seeking stable income, as concrete pipes are always in demand in any city. A fiberglass weaving line enables the production of composite materials. This automated line is designed for manufacturing fiberglass fabrics used in construction, shipbuilding, automotive, and sports equipment manufacturing. The output is up to 500 meters of fabric per hour, with high uniformity and strength. The cost of the line ranges from $80,000 to $120,000. The equipment is suitable for industrial enterprises. With proper production setup, net monthly profit can reach $20,000. A fast food packaging machine is a great solution for businesses making ready meals, shops, or cafes. The machine automatically forms the package, seals it, and applies labeling, increasing service speed and reducing manual labor. Equipment cost ranges from $8,000 to $15,000 depending on the configuration. Output is up to 60 packages per minute, and investment payback can take as little as 4 to 6 months with daily use. This is a reliable way to improve efficiency and service level in the food industry. A face mask production machine is a stable business in the field of medicine and hygiene. The equipment is fully automated and can produce up to 150 masks per minute. The cost of such a line starts at $15,000 depending on the configuration. Up to 48,000 units can be produced in an 8-hour shift. This can bring in about $1,500 in net profit. By establishing wholesale mask sales, you can start generating steady income in less than a year, and the operation requires only one person, making it possible to run the business alone initially. With this machine, you can attract many new customers to your cafe or bar. It's a printer that allows you to print on the surface of foam-topped drinks, from coffee to beer. The machine uses edible inks and works with digital templates, enabling custom designs in just seconds. You can also upload customer photos or create unique messages instantly. Such equipment costs from $1,000. With a steady customer flow, a coffee printer business can generate up to $4,000 in additional monthly income. It's a great way to boost customer loyalty and add an innovative touch to coffee service. A liquid soap filling machine can fill up to 2,000 bottles per shift. Just load the tank, set the volume, and the machine handles everything. It provides precise volume dispensing, stable output, and minimal packaging losses. The equipment costs from $40,000 to $80,000. Suitable for small to medium production, cosmetic and household brands, and contract packaging. This filling machine is an optimal solution for launching or scaling a production line. With an automatic water bottling line, you can start a successful business with quick payback and high profit. This equipment is designed for bottling drinking water. Special filtration systems purify tap water, removing impurities, disinfecting it, and improving its taste. The full line, including filtration equipment, costs from $40,000. You can start delivering drinking water to homes in your city, which is also in high demand among offices and commercial customers. Each bottle brings about $3 in net profit, so the business pays off quickly. A machine for processing and polishing stones and minerals transforms raw samples into shiny decorative items. Stones are placed in a drum with abrasive materials and water, where they are gradually ground and polished to a smooth surface. The process allows for the simultaneous treatment of multiple stones, saving time and increasing productivity. The resulting items are in demand among collectors, in the jewelry industry, and for souvenir products. The equipment costs about $200 to $300, and work efficiency depends on the load volume and polishing time, enabling the regular production of finished items with consistent profit. A leather splitter machine is essential for businesses producing items from natural and synthetic leather. It allows for the even reduction of material thickness, ensuring quality for bags, shoes, clothing, and accessories. The equipment typically costs between $3,000 and $7,000, and its use increases productivity and reduces defects. It is suitable for small and medium-sized workshops, ensuring a stable flow of finished products and the ability to scale production without loss of quality. Many glass bottles and jars are discarded after use, although they can be recycled on site. A special shredder crushes the glass into fine, uniform granules suitable for further use. The resulting material is used in the production of new bottles, tiles, or construction mixtures. The process is safe. The glass is fed into a chamber where powerful blades crush it to the desired fraction, and a safety system prevents shards from scattering. Such Such equipment is installed at recycling facilities, bars, restaurants, and waste depots. The cost of a shredder starts at $4,000, and its capacity reaches approximately 500 kilograms per hour. A copper wire granulator machine processes old cables and wires by separating copper from insulation. The result is clean copper granules suitable for smelting, reuse in manufacturing, or sale. The operating principle of the equipment is based on shredding the cable in special drums, followed by separating the metal from plastic and rubber insulation using vibration and screening. This allows for obtaining the purest product without chemical treatment. Such equipment is in demand at cable recycling points, scrap yards, and workshops that handle electrical wiring. The cost of the machine starts at about $8,000, and its capacity can reach 200 to 300 kilograms of copper per hour. This machine is designed for molding rubber components using pressing and vulcanization. Rubber blanks are fed into a press, where heat and pressure shape them into the desired form. Some models include automatic cutting and part removal from the mold. Main materials include rubber compounds, fillers, and vulcanizing agents. The equipment features temperature and pressure control, ensuring consistent dimensions and product strength. Machine prices typically start from $15,000 depending on power and mold type. This machine is designed to convert food waste into feed pellets or paste. First, the waste is sorted and ground, then undergoes thermal treatment or fermentation to eliminate pathogens. After processing, the material is compressed into pellets or molded into briquettes that can be used as animal feed. Common input materials include vegetable and fruit scraps, bread, and meat leftovers. The cost of the equipment starts at $12,000. It is ideal for recycling facilities and farms, reducing waste and producing a useful product for animals. The snack and chip production line starts with raw materials like potatoes, corn, or rice flour, and vegetables. The ingredients are washed, sliced, and dried, then passed through frying or baking modules to achieve a crispy texture. Products are then cooled, salted, or seasoned, and sent for packaging. The line's cost starts at $40,000. With proper organization and steady sales, expected monthly profit can reach $4,000 to $8,000, depending on production volume and sales outlets. A thermoforming machine transforms plastic sheets into finished products such as containers, trays, and food packaging. Plastic sheets are fed into a heating module where they become pliable, then shaped in press molds using vacuum or pressure. After cooling, the products are removed from the molds, then sent for trimming and packaging. Common materials include PET, PP, or PS plastic sheets. The cost of the machine depends on size and output, starting from $25,000. It enables the production of various shapes and sizes with high precision. The sandwich panel production line transforms construction materials into finished insulated panels. Sheets of metal or plastic and insulation material, polyurethane foam, or mineral wool are fed in. The materials go through trimming, then pressing and gluing of the layers under specified pressure. A feature of the line is automatic adjustment of panel thickness and density, which allows for consistent product characteristics. The cost of the equipment starts at $45,000. And with proper organization of production and sales, the estimated profit can reach $4,000 to $7,000 per month, depending on output volume and distribution channels. The finished products are used for the construction of facades, walls, cold storage, and industrial premises. The bottle wrapping machine automates the formation of bundles and their wrapping in film. Bottles are fed onto a conveyor, positioned, then shrink or stretch film wraps them, and a heating element secures the packaging. Some models have built-in film cutting and labeling systems. The main materials are plastic or glass bottles and wrapping film. The cost of the machine starts at $20,000. It is used for packaging beverages, cosmetics, and household chemicals, speeding up the preparation of products for transport and sale. The tire recycling machine allows old car tires to be converted into rubber crumb, powder, and granules for further use. First, the tires are fed into a crushing module where the metal framework is separated from the rubber. Then the rubber is shredded into granules of various sizes and goes through magnetic separation to remove metal inclusions. The resulting crumb is used for producing rubber coatings, sports surfaces, and road pavement. The cost of the equipment starts at $50,000, and its use enables waste recycling while creating a demanded product for the construction and sports industries. The frozen food production line transforms raw ingredients into ready-to-freeze products. It is suitable for dumplings, vareniki, cutlets, pies, and vegetable mixes. First, the raw materials are ground, mixed, and shaped, then quickly cooled or frozen and sent for packaging. The cost of the line starts at $60,000. Production volumes depend on the power of the conveyors and cycle time, but the line can produce hundreds of kilograms of products per hour, making the business scalable and in demand among supermarkets and restaurants. The secret to perfect pasta starts with precision. The automatic line mixes flour and water to the ideal consistency, after which powerful extruders shape spaghetti, elbows, or penne. The products then go through a drying stage with controlled temperature and humidity to maintain the right firmness and color. The entire process, from mixing to packaging, was fully automated, which reduces waste and improves quality. These lines are installed at food production facilities and mini factories. Their price starts at $30,000 and depends on productivity. Some models can produce up to a ton of pasta per hour. This equipment enables stable production of a high-demand product with minimal manual labor. An MDF furniture production line consists of several core modules: board feeding, cutting, milling, drilling for fasteners, edge banding, and module assembly. First, MDF boards are fed into machines where saws shape the required components. Then, automatic milling and drilling machines make cutouts and holes for joints. At the next stage, an edge banding machine covers the panel edges, and assembly lines connect the parts into finished furniture elements. The cost of such a line starts at $50,000 and depends on the number of machines and level of automation. The line is suitable for producing cabinets, tables, nightstands, and other case furniture, enabling the production of hundreds of items per month with consistent quality. A professional sewing machine is designed for working with heavy fabrics such as denim, canvas, or thick cotton. It is equipped with an industrial sewing head capable of stitching through multiple layers, performing straight and zigzag stitches, reinforcing seams, and securing components with an automatic presser foot mechanism. The equipment can work with pre-cut patterns or integrate into an automated line with part feeding. The cost of an industrial sewing machine for heavy fabric starts at $3,000 to $5,000. These machines are used in workshops producing jeans, jackets, and workwear, ensuring high speed and seam accuracy during long-term operation. A cardboard tray and pallet production system processes sheet cardboard through forming, pressing, and assembling elements into finished products. The modular design includes automatic cardboard feeding, a die-cutting press, and a gluing or fastening system. Some lines feature modules for size cutting and product marking. These lines are used in food, pharmaceutical, and logistics packaging. The cost of the equipment ranges from $15,000 to $35,000, depending on productivity and automation level. The lines can produce hundreds or thousands of trays and pallets daily with minimal human intervention. Speed and precision. That's what this machine is valued for. It takes flat blanks, folds them precisely into the desired shape, and glues or fastens the corners in seconds. The result is perfectly shaped boxes ready for packaging goods. Such systems are used in warehouses, online stores, and production facilities where fast packaging is essential. Operation is simple. The operator sets the format and quantity, and the machine does the rest. Basic models cost around $5,000, while advanced versions with automatic glue application go up to $15,000. A hydraulic metal forming press, price from $30,000, is used to shape metal blanks under high pressure. Its operation is based on a hydraulic system. A piston, driven by pressurized oil, applies force evenly across a die, forming the metal part. The press works with sheet metal, aluminum, steel, and alloys, and can also perform embossing and stamping. The machine includes adjustable pressure and stroke speed settings, allowing it to adapt to different material thicknesses and shape complexities. The use of hydraulics ensures stability and accuracy even at high production volumes. A sorting and packing line begins with feeding products onto a conveyor. Cameras and sensors evaluate size, weight, and quality. Based on this data, the system directs items to appropriate packing zones, boxes, bags, or pallets. The line may also include modules for quality control, labeling, and package seal checks. Materials used include the products themselves and packaging materials like film, cartons, or bags. Equipment starts at around $20,000, and its modular design allows for easy integration of additional sorting or packing stages for various product types. When old parts and structures become raw materials, a true cycle of renewal begins. The metal recycling line crushes scrap, removes impurities with magnets, and compresses it into compact billets ready for remelting. This is a complex but streamlined process that allows the material to be returned to production. The cost of these systems starts at $60,000. In theory, a facility that processes several tons of scrap per day can generate stable income from selling cleaned metal, but the main benefit is environmental. Each ton of recycled metal reduces waste and saves resources. the aroma of fresh dough, and the rhythm of a conveyor. That's what cookie production sounds like. The line includes a dough mixer, forming machine, oven, and cooling system. First, flour, sugar, and butter are mixed to the desired consistency, then the dough is rolled and shaped into cookies. The pieces are baked in a tunnel oven and sent to cooling before packaging. The cost of a full set starts at approximately $40,000. With stable orders and proper sales organization, theoretical profit can range from $2,000 to $5,000 per month, though this depends on production volume, raw material costs, and regional factors. The journey from sweet syrup to free-flowing sugar crystals is a complex technological process. The line handles purification, syrup concentration, crystallization, and drying, turning the liquid product into dry granules. Each stage is precisely controlled. Temperature, humidity, and crystallization speed are automatically set. The machines are made from stainless steel, resistant to moisture and acid exposure. Such equipment is used at sugar refineries and food production facilities. The cost starts at $50,000, and productivity can reach several tons of finished product per day, ensuring consistent quality and granule uniformity. Non-woven materials are all around us, from medical masks and filters to furniture and packaging. Their production line operates differently from a weaving mill. Fibers are not interwoven but bonded thermally, mechanically, or chemically. The machine feeds polyester or polypropylene fiber, distributes it evenly, fuses it at high temperatures, and rolls it up. The equipment is equipped with automatic control of fabric density and thickness. The cost of such lines starts at $100,000 and up. It's a flexible solution for textile enterprises where sterility, breathability, and low cost of finished material are crucial. Flexographic and gravure printing are methods for transferring images onto flexible packaging, whether it's film, paper, or cardboard. The machine works with rolls of material. First, the surface is prepared, then through ink rollers, the image is transferred onto the packaging. The flexographic method is suitable for bright, multicolor labels and food packaging, while gravure printing ensures precise reproduction of fine details such as barcodes. Modern machines are equipped with digital controllers for accurate color registration and speed. Equipment prices start at $50,000 and can reach up to $200,000 depending on the number of print stations and speed. This is a solution for printing houses and packaging factories requiring high productivity and print quality. This popular snack and national cuisine component is made on an automatic line that mixes corn dough, forms tortillas, and fries them at a set temperature. The machine controls thickness, diameter, and degree of frying to ensure product consistency. Equipment costs range from $15,000 to $40,000 depending on capacity and level of automation. The line works with corn flour, water, and salt with optional spice additions. This setup is convenient for small manufacturers, cafes, or bakeries, where consistent quality and production speed are essential. Metal cans are used for beverages, canned goods, and chemical products. The machine for their production takes a roll of tin plate, cuts blanks, forms cylinders, and welds the bottom. Some models also perform painting and labeling. Equipment cost depends on speed and automation level. From $60,000 to $200,000. The output is a strong, airtight container ready for filling. Such machines are in demand at food factories, paint, and chemical manufacturers where consistent quality and high productivity are important. Energy bars are made on a line that mixes nuts, grains, dried fruits, and syrups, forms the mass, presses it, and cuts it into portions. Then the bars are cooled and individually wrapped in film. The machine controls the mass, thickness, and shape to ensure uniformity. The cost of the line starts at $30,000, and productivity can reach hundreds of kilograms per hour. Theoretical income depends on production volume and demand. Even a small line allows for the production of a significant number of bars for stores, gyms, and online sales, turning raw ingredients into a finished product with stable demand. Cream production includes mixing, emulsifying, and dosing the ingredients. The line is equipped with mixers, heating and cooling chambers, and dispensers for packaging into tubes, jars, or bottles. The machine allows precise control over the product's viscosity, color, and scent. Line costs start at $40,000 and reach $150,000, depending on volume and automation. This technology is in demand at cosmetic factories, laboratories, and small-scale producers. Finished products can include face, body, hand creams, or specialized treatments, and the line ensures quality consistency and repeatable formulations. This line transforms a metal strip into finished profiles, panels, and roofing sheets. A steel coil is fed into a series of forming rollers, where the metal is gradually bent while maintaining precise dimensions. The process is automated, and cutting is performed without stopping the line. Such equipment is used by manufacturers of construction structures, garages, and sandwich panels. The cost depends on the type of profile and metal thickness, from $60,000 to $150,000. With steady orders, an enterprise can theoretically generate up to $10,000 in net income per month, making this line attractive for small industrial businesses. The demand for paper cups remains steady. They are needed by cafes, hotels, and beverage manufacturers. The automatic line takes a roll of laminated paper, cuts out blanks, forms them into cylinders, and hermetically seals the bottom. The output is hundreds of cups per minute. The cost of the unit is about $15,000 to $30,000, with an estimated 8-hour daily operation and a unit cost of less than 2 cents per cup. The theoretical profit can reach $3,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on the sales market. Such production does not require large space or staff, making it convenient for small businesses and contract packaging suppliers. Composite panels are multi-layer materials that combine the strength of metal and the lightness of plastic. They usually consist of 2 aluminum sheets and a polymer or mineral core. The production machine includes feeding, heating, and pressing systems, which ensure a perfect bond of layers under pressure and temperature. These panels are used in construction, facade cladding, interior design, and advertising. The cost of the line ranges from $70,000 to $200,000 depending on the sheet width. The finished product is resistant to moisture, UV radiation, and deformation, and the outer layer can be laminated to imitate stone, wood, or metal, offering a wide range of design options. Dishwashing sponges are everyday products that can be easily produced on an automated line. The machine cuts foam or synthetic materials into blanks, forms layers, bonds them with glue or thermal processing, and then packages the finished products in film. Equipment cost ranges from $10,000 to $35,000. The output can be thousands of sponges per day. The production cost of one sponge is about 15 to 25 cents, while the retail price is $1 to $1.5. Theoretical profit depends on production volume and sales channels, but with stable orders, a small operation can generate several $1,000s per month, making the line attractive for small businesses. This machine is designed for the production of corrugated cardboard packaging, where precise and clean fold lines are essential. The equipment combines cutting and creasing functions, allowing for the creation of blanks for boxes of any size. Sheets are fed automatically and pass under rotating blades and creasing rollers. Settings can be adjusted for different cardboard types and thicknesses. The cost of such systems starts at $20,000. They are used at packaging plants, printing facilities, and consumer goods manufacturers. Thanks to high-speed operation, the machine can produce thousands of blanks per hour, ensuring uninterrupted packaging supply. Water jet cutting technology is considered one of the most precise and versatile methods. This machine uses a jet of water under pressure up to 4,000 bar, often mixed with abrasive, to cut through metal, stone, ceramic, glass, or plastic. Its main advantage is the absence of thermal impact, which preserves the material's structure. The process is software controlled. The operator sets the shape, and the machine perfectly reproduces the contour. Equipment costs start at $45,000, with industrial models exceeding $100,000. These systems are used in mechanical engineering, aerospace, and architectural workshops where precision and clean cuts without reworking are essential. Juice production in aseptic packaging combines sterility and speed. The UHT line heats the beverage to around 140 degrees Celsius for just a few seconds, eliminating microorganisms while preserving flavor and vitamins. After cooling, the juice is immediately filled into sterile bags or bottles without air contact. The system includes a pasteurizer, filling module, and packaging section. Turning stale or fresh bread into breadcrumbs is an example of efficient recycling. The line includes grinding, drying, crushing to the desired fraction, and sieving. For breadcrumbs, aromatization and roasting stages are added. Particle size and moisture control are critical. Croutons must be dry and uniform crumbs, textured for coating. Raw materials include bakery waste, loaves, buns with optional flavor additives. The cost of the line ranges from $30,000 to $90,000 depending on automation and thermal processing capabilities. The finished product is in demand in the food industry for coatings, fillings, snacks, and even pet food. This business reduces food waste and offers a product with good margins and market potential. A packing machine is at the core of bulk food product packaging. It combines feeding, weighing, dosing, and bagging systems. Options include screw fillers for large fractions, linear weighers for set weight packaging, or multi-head weighers for high precision and speed. The equipment handles rice, buckwheat, wheat, legumes, seeds, and granular products. Cost ranges from $12,000 to $60,000 depending on accuracy and speed. Key requirements: dust-free operation, hygiene, easy format switching, and minimal product loss. The machine reduces labor and ensures consistent weight in each package, which is crucial for retail and export. This compact yet powerful machine can turn a regular garage into a mini woodworking shop. It's designed for precise cutting of wood panels, plywood, chipboard, MDF, and even solid wood. Thanks to guide rails with a ruler and a tilting circular saw blade, users can create furniture panels, facades, stair elements, case furniture, and decorative details. The average motor power is around 3 kilowatts, providing clean, smooth cuts without chipping. The work surface measures approximately 80 by 60 centimeters, and the machine weighs under 50 kilograms, making it suitable for use on a regular table. Desktop models start at about $800 to $1,500, depending on the brand and configuration. It's a great option for those wanting to start furniture production without investing in large equipment. This compact plotter opens up opportunities for creating signage, decor, and custom stickers right from home. It works with roll vinyl, films, and paper, cutting out any shapes, letters, and logos along the contour. The device is computer controlled, and its blade moves with micron precision to ensure perfect lines, even for complex designs. Cutting width ranges from 30 to 60 centimeters with speeds up to 800 millimeters per second. Desktop plotters cost from $300 to $900 and require minimal maintenance. This equipment is ideal for making signs, car decals, branded packaging, and interior graphics. A great tool for small businesses in advertising and creative industries. This compact yet powerful device is a must-have for any electronics technician. A soldering station allows precise temperature control of the iron tip and hot air, which is critical when working with microchips, circuit boards, and fine wires. It typically includes a soldering iron, hot air gun, and digital control unit. Temperature range: 100 to 480 degrees Celsius with power around 700 watts. A quality station costs between $150 and $400. It's suitable for electronics repair, board assembly, gadget upgrades, and even custom device creation. With controlled heat and anti-static protection, you can safely handle sensitive components and achieve factory quality soldering results. A modular spray paint booth is the ideal solution for those wanting to create professional painting conditions in a garage or workshop. The structure is made of a metal frame and panel walls with air filtration, and it features even lighting and ventilation inside. Air flows through filters, clearing the space of dust and paint particles, ensuring a smooth finish without defects. Built-in exhaust and heating allow for fast drying. Sizes range from 3x4 to 4x6 meters, with ventilation systems up to 3 kilowatts. Price: approximately $2,000 to $5,000. Perfect for painting cars, furniture, and metal. Compact, safe, and with professional results. This equipment offers wide possibilities for producing decorative, souvenir, and industrial items in small batches. The process is based on filling silicon molds with liquid materials, such as epoxy resin, polyurethane, or plaster. The machine maintains even temperature and creates light pressure to eliminate bubbles and achieve accurate casting geometry. It's suitable for making figurines, decorative pieces, prototypes, and even jewelry components. Machine power is around 1.5 kilowatts, and chamber volume ranges from 1 to 5 liters. Cost: from $1,000 to $2,500. It's one of the most flexible solutions for craftsmen and entrepreneurs wanting to produce high-quality small series without major investments in molds or tooling. This equipment turns fresh fruits, vegetables, herbs, or mushrooms into healthy snacks and long-lasting dried goods. It operates by circulating warm air that gently evaporates moisture while preserving vitamins and flavor. Inside are stainless steel trays, with temperature adjustable between 30 to 80 degrees Celsius and heating power around 1.5 to 2 kilowatts. Depending on the size, it can handle 5 to 20 kilograms of fruit per cycle. Prices range from $700 to $2,000. Dehydrators are popular with farmers, cafe owners, and natural food producers. With proper organization, you can produce apple, banana, mango chips, and more, expanding product range and reducing crop waste. Used to firmly bond decorative coatings to MDF, particle board, or veneer panels, creating a moisture and wear-resistant surface. The machine applies even pressure and heat to activate the adhesive and bond the laminate securely to the base. Pressure typically reaches 10 tons, with heating temperatures around 120 degrees Celsius. Standard working area is 1,200 by 2,400 millimeters, and power is around 5 kilowatts. Cost from $5,000 to $9,000. This equipment is used in furniture manufacturing, but also fits private workshops producing panels for doors, countertops, and decorative walls. The press delivers industrial-grade finishing at moderate cost and compact size. This equipment transforms ordinary plastic sheets into finished products of any shape, from packaging and containers to panels and decorative elements. The machine works simply. The sheet is heated to its softening point, then vacuum is applied to pull it tightly over a mold, forming its contours. After cooling, the result is a rigid item with precise geometry. Materials used include PVC, polystyrene, acrylic, or ABS plastic. Heater power ranges from 3 to 5 kilowatts, allowing processing of sheets up to 5 millimeters thick. Desktop models typically have a working area of around 40 by 60 centimeters. Equipment costs range from $1,500 to $3,000. This machine is in demand in the packaging business, advertising workshops, and souvenir production. A small workshop for producing vinyl records can start with a compact lathe cutting machine for custom orders. The process begins with recording a digital track onto a master, followed by pressing sound grooves onto a vinyl blank. The machine is designed for limited runs, allowing creation of personalized albums, souvenirs, and gift records for musicians and events. Productivity reaches several dozen records per day, which is sufficient for a niche business. For mass production, industrial presses capable of making hundreds of records daily are available. The cost of a desktop model ranges from $5,000 to $15,000. This machine is ideal for recording studios, craft shops, and small music projects where product uniqueness is key. A compact device for processing natural or compostable plastic pellets into various shapes. A screw mechanism smoothly extrudes the material through interchangeable dies, enabling production of filaments, tubes, plastic parts, or preforms for 3D printing. Motor power is about 1 kilowatt, with a throughput of 2 to 3 kilograms per hour. The device is completely safe for use in a garage or small studio, with stainless steel contact parts. Desktop models cost between $1,200 and $2,500. This extruder allows for experimentation with eco-friendly products, crafting souvenirs and components in demand for artisan and research projects. Creating premium metal business cards requires high pressure and precision, which is delivered by this aluminum blank pressing machine. The device compresses sheets with several tons of force, forming embossed text or engravings. Logos, names, and decorative patterns can be applied to make cards striking and durable. The working area of desktop models is about 15 by 10 centimeters with power around 1 kilowatt. Equipment costs between $2,000 and $4,000. The press is in demand in souvenir workshops, printing houses, and for corporate gifting. Even a small workshop can produce unique metal business cards on demand, combining creative design with precise manufacturing. Solid shampoo is an eco-friendly and compact alternative to liquid formulas. This machine forms bars or tiles from a blend of oils, sodium salts, and natural additives using pressure and heat. It ensures even distribution of ingredients and a smooth finish on the final product. The heating unit has a power of about 1.5 to 2 kilowatts, and the mold size allows for bars up to 10 centimeters long. The equipment costs between $1,200 and $3,000. This machine enables production of branded cosmetics, gift sets, or small batch products for the eco-conscious market. This machine suits small-scale entertainment or novelty product businesses. It mixes bubble solution, doses it, and fills bottles or containers. Built-in mixers ensure uniform blending of water, glycerin, and cleaning agents. Production capacity reaches 500 to 1,000 bottles per day at approximately 1 kilowatt power usage. Machine cost ranges from $1,200 to $3,000. It allows businesses to produce ready-to-use bubble liquid for parties, entertainers, cafes, and souvenir stores while saving time and ensuring consistent product quality. Laser engraving offers vast potential for personalizing ceramic products like mugs, tiles, and souvenirs. This device uses a CO2 laser to precisely burn designs or text onto surfaces without damaging the material. It's controlled via a computer with design software, allowing application of highly detailed images. The working area is up to 300 by 300 millimeters with laser power between 40 to 60 watts. These desktop machines cost between $1,500 and $4,000. It's in demand among souvenir workshops, gift shops, and ceramic studios where unique designs and neat finishing are essential. Compact roasting machines are used to produce snacks, pastes, and ready-mix blends. Nuts and seeds are loaded into a drum where they are heated and roasted evenly, preserving flavor and aroma. Temperature is adjustable up to 200 degrees Celsius with roasting time of 10 to 20 minutes depending on the product. Power 2 to 3 kilowatts. Capacity up to 20 kilograms per cycle. Cost $1,500 to $4,000. This equipment enables the production of nuts for retail, cafe use, or as ingredients in baked goods, ensuring consistent flavor and product quality. Sweet homemade products become a reality with this compact candy maker. The machine melts sugar and syrup, shapes the caramel into small candies, and cools them to the desired hardness. It is suitable for working with various additives, nuts, chocolate, colorants. The cost of household models is usually $150 to $250. Potential income from selling homemade caramel depends on batch quantities and pricing strategy. Creating business cards at home or for a small business has become easier with this mini card cutting machine. It allows you to print and cut cards to standard size, working with thick paper and cardboard. The machine features precise cutting and paper density adjustment, ensuring a clean and professional result. These models usually cost $200 to $350. Potential profit comes from offering design and printing services for business cards. Even with a small order volume, you can earn up to $500 to $1,000 per month, depending on the number of clients and design complexity, while material costs remain minimal. For fresh coffee lovers and small cafes, a compact coffee roasting machine allows you to produce beans with a unique flavor right at home. The machine works with green coffee beans, ensuring even roasting to the desired level, from light to dark. Adjustable temperature and roasting time lets you experiment with aroma, body, and acidity. The cost of small home models is $300 to $500. This machine offers the opportunity to control coffee freshness and quality, create signature blends, and explore the nuances of roasting, turning the process into an engaging hobby and professional experience. Working with fabrics becomes more precise thanks to this compact serger. It finishes fabric edges to prevent fraying and is suitable for various types of textiles: cotton, linen, knitwear. The machine is equipped with a knife for straight trimming and special needles, providing neat seams. The compact size allows it to be set up at home on a sewing table. The cost of household models ranges from $150 to $250, making them accessible for home workshops. With it, you can create finished products for crafts, clothing, or decor without extra costs, focusing on quality and clean finishing. For craft beer lovers, a home brewing kit opens up a whole world of flavor experimentation. The machine combines fermentation, filtration, and bottling processes, turning grain, hops, and yeast into a true homemade beverage. Temperature and pressure are automatically controlled, making the process easy even for beginners. The cost of home brewing kits varies from $300 to $700. This setup allows you to produce small batches of beer with unique recipes, experiment with aromas, malt roast levels, and hop varieties, from light lagers to rich stouts. A metal, glass, wood. All can be treated with a sandblaster to create a matte effect, remove rust, or produce patterns. This device is in demand in craft workshops and restoration or decor services. It works with a compressor, directing a stream of abrasive material under pressure. You can use it to apply logos on glass, engrave souvenirs, or prepare parts for painting. Compact models cost from $400 to $800. This setup enables service offerings for private clients and businesses, auto shops, design studios, and furniture manufacturers. This eye-catching street treat can now be made at home or in a small cafe. The ice cream roll machine chills a metal plate to low temperatures, where liquid mix is spread thin, frozen, and rolled into ice cream spirals. They're served with fruit, syrups, or chocolate, turning the process into a visual performance that draws in customers. Machine cost from $400 to $900 depending on size. It's a great opportunity to start a mini business in a food court or as a street food stand. High-quality photos are the key to online sales success. A photo light box creates even lighting without shadows or glare, making it an essential tool for small businesses. It is convenient for shooting jewelry, cosmetics, gadgets, food, or handmade items for online stores and marketplaces. Modern models are equipped with LED lighting and interchangeable backgrounds. The cost is $100 to $250. This box allows entrepreneurs to create advertising content on their own and save on photographer services, as well as offer photo shoots as a separate service to other sellers. A paper production line is large-scale industrial equipment for manufacturing various types of paper, from office to packaging. The process includes pulp cooking, sheet forming, pressing, and drying. The cost of the line starts at $150,000, which requires serious investment. This business is suitable for large manufacturers and companies aiming to control product quality and range, productivity, thousands of tons of paper per month. With stable contracts for office and store supplies, profit can exceed $50,000 and payback ranges from 1 to 2 years. This business might not appeal to everyone, but it provides a necessary and in-demand service. A toilet cleaning machine is a practical solution for maintaining mobile restrooms at construction sites, festivals, and parks. The equipment is equipped with a pump, clean water tank, waste tank, and high-pressure hoses. The cost ranges from $8,000 to $12,000, and one operator can service up to 40 to 50 units per day. This business is ideal for sanitation rental companies, municipal services, and private contractors. According to industry reports, some operators have reported monthly earnings of up to $20,000, depending on workload, service area, and number of contracts. A vinyl cutter plotter is a compact machine designed for precise cutting of text, logos, and images from vinyl film. Controlled via a computer, it works with vector designs to produce stickers, banners, decor, and heat transfers for clothing. The cost of such equipment starts at around $300, making it accessible for small workshops or home-based creators. Productivity can reach hundreds of items per day, with production costs of about $1 to $2 per order and selling prices ranging from $10 to $15. Some operators have reported monthly profits of up to $3,000, though actual results depend on demand, efficiency, and sales channels. Do you love noodles? A noodle-making machine is ideal equipment for food businesses and restaurants specializing in fresh pasta. The machine kneads the dough, forms, and cuts noodles in various shapes and thicknesses. Cost from $6,000. Productivity reaches up to 100 kilograms of finished product per hour. It can be used not only in restaurants, but also to produce instant noodles by drying and packaging them. Digital scales with a label printer are convenient equipment for trade and production, where it's important to quickly and accurately weigh goods while simultaneously printing barcodes and product information. The cost of such scales starts at $500. They are suitable for grocery stores, markets, warehouses, and packaging factories. In business use, they speed up the sales process and reduce errors, which increases profit. A rice mill machine is equipment for processing raw rice into a ready-to-eat product. The machine removes husks and impurities from the grain, improving quality and extending shelf life. Cost from $8,000 depending on power and automation. suitable for farms, mills, and food processing enterprises. Productivity, up to 1 ton of rice per hour. This type of business is in demand in regions with high rice consumption. Payback, from 8 to 12 months with stable supply. Laser application is a modern solution in many industries. A laser cleaning machine allows you to earn by restoring and servicing equipment and vehicles. The machine uses a powerful laser beam to remove rust and dirt from metal surfaces. Productivity depends on the model but allows cleaning hundreds of square meters per day. Machine cost from $25,000 with a payback period of just a few months. To start a business in the fish farming sector, this type of machine for producing fish feed is ideal. The machine grinds raw materials, mixes them, and presses them into dense feed pellets suitable for various types of fish. The cost starts at $5,000 for a compact model. Productivity, up to 300 kilograms per hour. This business is suitable for agricultural enterprises, pond owners, and feed suppliers. The cost of feed is significantly lower than the market price, allowing for profits of up to $10,000 per month. The investment pays off in 4 to 6 months with steady orders. A fresh coconut may look simple, but processing it requires significant effort. That's why an automatic coconut peeling and cutting machine is in demand at processing facilities and farms. It removes the tough outer shell and neatly cuts the nut, preserving the pulp and water. Equipment costs start at $6,000. This is a great investment for those involved in coconut milk production, snack manufacturing, or raw material export. Processing becomes faster, safer, and much more efficient. Seaweed snacks are rapidly gaining popularity for their health benefits and unique taste, especially in regions where healthy eating is well developed. A seaweed snack processing machine efficiently transforms raw seaweed into crispy, flavorful snacks that are easy to pack and sell. Equipment costs typically start at $4,000 and can reach $12,000 depending on power and automation level. The machine can produce hundreds of kilograms per month, and with successful sales, the business can generate $3,000 to $8,000. Seaweed is a rich source of minerals and vitamins, and demand for these snacks continues to grow worldwide. The soap making process is elevated with a soap stamping and packaging machine. This equipment adds attractive embossed designs or logos and automatically wraps the finished bars, speeding up production and enhancing product appeal. Prices start at $6,000 and go up to $18,000 depending on automation and speed. The machine can produce hundreds of bars per hour, generating income of $4,000 to $10,000 per month with effective sales. The modern leather goods market demands precision and original design, and a combined leather embossing and cutting machine meets those needs. It applies intricate embossed patterns and cuts parts for bags, belts, and accessories simultaneously, accelerating production. Costs start at $12,000 and can reach $40,000 depending on features and capacity. The machine can produce hundreds of high-quality items monthly, generating income of $7,000 to $20,000 with solid distribution. It is especially in demand in the premium leather goods segment, where exclusivity and craftsmanship are essential. A corrugated cardboard shredder quickly turns large scraps and defective sheets into small pieces used for recycled raw materials or packaging filler. Prices start at $7,000 and can go up to $20,000 based on power and size. This machine reduces waste disposal costs and opens a new revenue stream from recycled materials sales. Precision and detail are critical in jewelry making. A wax injector machine simplifies the creation of wax molds, forming intricate base models with high accuracy. Equipment prices start at $8,000 and may go up to $25,000 depending on automation and output. It speeds up production and improves quality. With well-structured sales and workflows, you can earn $5,000 to $15,000 monthly by producing refined jewelry pieces. Speed and consistency are key in textile manufacturing, and an electric yarn winding machine delivers both. It winds yarn into cones or bobbins quickly and evenly, improving productivity in factories and workshops. Budget-friendly manual versions start from $100 for small businesses. This equipment can process thousands of meters daily, offering $2,500 to $7,000 monthly income with proper sales. It's especially valuable in fabric and knitting production, where winding quality is essential. A cotton candy machine is a popular attraction often seen at fairs, celebrations, and amusement parks. It transforms sugar into a light, airy dessert enjoyed by both children and adults. The cost of such equipment ranges from $1,000 to $4,000 depending on the model and capacity. These machines are valued for their mobility and ease of use, making them suitable for seasonal events and small food stands. According to reports, during peak season, some operators have achieved monthly earnings of $1,000 to $4,000, though actual results depend on demand, location, and sales volume. An algae bioreactor is specialized equipment that creates optimal conditions for cultivating spirulina and other green algae, and often referred to as superfoods in the healthy eating industry. It enables year-round production of high-quality raw materials through precise control of temperature, lighting, and nutrient supply. The cost of such installations starts at around $12,000 and can exceed $40,000 depending on capacity and automation level. According to reports, due to high productivity and stable demand, some operators have achieved monthly income in the range of $7,000 to $20,000, though actual results depend on production scale, efficiency, and market access. A mobile bio-toilet is a compact autonomous sanitation unit designed for use at construction sites, festivals, campsites, and remote locations without permanent sewage systems. The cost of such equipment ranges from $5,000 to $12,000 depending on size and features. It is commonly used by event organizers, construction contractors, and rental service providers. According to reports, at large festivals and similar events, some operators have earned around $500 per day from bio-toilet rentals, though actual results depend on demand, location, and contract terms. A desktop laminating machine is a great tool for starting a business. This compact device fits easily on a desk and quickly covers sheets with a clear film, increasing their durability and lifespan. The price starts at $200, making it accessible for offices, print shops, and small workshops. A An electrical cable manufacturing machine is complex, high-tech equipment designed to produce cables of different types and cross-sections for industrial and domestic applications. The system usually includes an insulation extruder, winder, and testing units. Prices start at about $100,000 and can be higher depending on configuration. According to reports, some operators in this sector have achieved monthly profits of up to $50,000, though actual results depend on production volume, demand, and sales channels. The KIO6G Pro is an automatic incense stick making machine that fully automates the process from raw material feeding to drying the final product. The cost of this equipment starts at around $10,000, with productivity of up to 30 kilograms of incense per hour. It is commonly used by small and medium enterprises, workshops, and home-based producers in the aromatherapy and souvenir sectors. According to reports, some operators selling incense sticks have achieved monthly profits of $7,000 to $9,000, though actual results depend on demand, production efficiency, and distribution. A multifunction packaging machine is a universal device that combines several stages of packaging, including weighing, dosing, sealing, and labeling. It is suitable for food, cosmetics, chemicals, and other types of products. The cost of such equipment starts at about $20,000. According to reports, with stable orders, some operators have achieved monthly profits of $15,000 to $20,000, though actual results depend on demand, efficiency, and sales channels. The mushroom growing container system is a modular solution that creates ideal conditions for year-round cultivation of mushrooms like champignons and oyster mushrooms. Inside are ventilation, climate control, shelving, and automatic watering systems. Prices start at $20,000. These containers can be installed in small spaces and used for personal or commercial growing, ideal for farmers, startups, and agribusiness entrepreneurs. Creating original items from paper, cardboard, leather, or fabric becomes easier with a die cutting and embossing press. It precisely forms parts and patterns, which is especially useful in the production of greeting cards, packaging, tags, or souvenirs. The mechanism ensures high cutting accuracy, reduces material waste, and speeds up the workflow. Productivity depends on the complexity of the projects and the user's experience. Dozens or hundreds of items can be produced daily. The equipment costs around $400 to $500, and its compact design makes it suitable for a small workshop or studio. A popcorn machine allows for quickly preparing fresh portions at events. In cinemas, amusement parks, or on the street, corn is placed in a heating drum where it pops evenly under high temperature, and the addition of oil and spices provides the flavor and aroma of the finished product. Productivity depends on the drum volume and heating power. Several liters of popcorn can be produced per cycle, maintaining consistent quality and an appealing appearance. The equipment costs around $300 to $400, and its compact design makes it easy to use in small retail locations or at off-site events. A glass bottle manufacturing machine automates the entire process of turning raw materials into finished containers. Equipment costs begin at $50,000 depending on capacity and configuration. Sand, soda ash, and limestone are first melted in a furnace at high temperatures. The molten glass is then sent to molding stations, where air pressure or mechanical pressing shapes bottles of various sizes. After forming, the products go through controlled cooling, followed by sorting and packaging. The machine is equipped with sensors for temperature, wall thickness, and shape consistency, ensuring high-quality output. It's suitable for producing a wide range of bottles, from small beverage containers to large industrial vessels. The nail-making machine works with metal wire. The wire is fed into a cutting module, where blanks of the required length are measured. Then the point and head are formed, after which the items undergo hardening and cooling. Some models feature built-in vibrating separators and packaging systems for finished nails. The main material is steel wire of various diameters. The process is fully automated, ensuring consistent quality and high productivity. The cost of machines for small and medium enterprises starts at $12,000. Every builder knows a strong block is the heart of a solid wall. The production line mixes cement, sand, water, and additives in precise proportions. Then a powerful vibropress forms blocks of the required density. After that, the products are dried and stacked. Everything is managed automatically, and the operator only needs to monitor the mix quality. The baseline costs around $25,000. It can produce thousands of blocks per day, supplying construction companies with their own materials. This equipment is especially in demand at small plants and in regions with growing construction needs. With consistent operation, the machine can generate profits up to $10,000 per month, though this depends on material costs, labor, order volume, and many other factors. Peanut butter is made on a specialized line that includes roasting the nuts, removing their shells, grinding into a creamy consistency, and optionally adding salt or oil. The machine controls mass uniformity, temperature, and viscosity to ensure the product meets quality standards. Equipment costs range from $20,000 to $50,000 depending on output capacity. Theoretical profit depends on production volumes and market price of the butter. With full utilization, hundreds of kilograms of peanuts can be processed daily. This line is suitable for food factories, small producers, and artisan workshops that value process cleanliness and stability. Assembling LED bulbs requires precision and automation. The line includes stages such as placing LEDs on boards, soldering, testing electrical connections, assembling the housing, and final product testing. The equipment handles various bulb form factors and power levels, ensuring consistent quality and uniform brightness. Line cost depends on the level of automation, from $30,000 to $120,000. This type of production is suitable for both industrial factories and small custom lighting workshops. The line speeds up the process and reduces defects, allowing for the release of bulbs ready for packaging and sale. when products need not just to be packed but also secured for transportation, strapping machines are used. They wrap the load with a plastic strap, tighten it, and reliably weld the joint. This is essential in warehouses, printing houses, food factories, and postal centers. Anywhere that requires fast packaging without manual labor. Compact tabletop models cost about $1,500, while industrial systems cost over $5,000. The equipment is compatible with PETIA and polypropylene strapping, easily integrates into a conveyor line, and helps avoid product damage during delivery. This equipment performs the most precise operations in the production of cutting tools. The machine combines multiple stages: blank forming, sharpening, and polishing of the cutting edge. The process is fully automated, from feeding metal strips to finished blades. Abrasive wheels and cooling systems are used to ensure a perfect surface finish. Such systems are used in the production of kitchen, industrial, and medical knives. Cost starts at $50,000. With its high precision, the equipment reduces defects and boosts productivity, making it indispensable in metalworking facilities. Chewing gum production begins with preparing an elastic base, which the machine heats and mixes with sugar, syrup, and flavorings. The mass then passes through an extruder, forming a sheet that is cooled and cut into pieces. Some models include a dusting or glazing system. Equipment costs start at $60,000. The product can be made into pillows, balls, or strips. Production lines use food-grade flavorings and colorants, and the finished gum is cooled before packaging. This business suits confectionery manufacturers targeting the mass market for high-margin sweets. A reliable assistant for packaging finished goods, the shrink wrapping machine works by heating film that tightly wraps the product, creating a sealed protective layer. It uses polyolefin, PVC, or polyethylene shrink film. After wrapping, the product passes through a heat tunnel where, under temperatures of 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, the material shrinks and conforms to the shape. This packaging not only improves product appearance, but also protects against moisture, dust, and damage. Machines are available in desktop and floor models with power from 2 to 6 kilowatts. Price ranges from $800 to $2,500. It's a great solution for packaging food, cosmetics, household goods, and even books. Compact, neat, and professional. A mini metal lathe is an essential machine for precision metalworking, easily fitting even in a garage. It's used to produce bushings, shafts, nuts, mechanical parts, and decorative elements. With a 750-watt motor and speeds up to 2,500 RPM, the operator can work with brass, aluminum, steel, and copper. The distance between centers is about 300 millimeters, enough for most small parts. Feed and tool settings allow for high precision machining. The price of such equipment ranges from $700 to $1,500. With moderate orders, a lathe operator can theoretically earn $500 to $1,000 per month, especially when taking on custom jobs for small-scale production or repair services. This semi-automatic equipment is ideal for workshops creating decorative interior and facade elements. It enables cutting stone and marble and assembling pieces into mosaic panels. The process includes feeding the material, cutting it to a template, and fixing fragments onto mesh or backing. Power is around 2 to 3 kilowatts, with a working area of 60 by 100 centimeters, allowing production of small and medium-sized panels for interior or landscape use. Price ranges from $4,000 to $9,000. The machine facilitates production of unique decorative items, combining mechanical precision and manual assembly, especially valuable in interior design and souvenir manufacturing. This machine is ideal for branding clothing, bags, and accessories. It heats a metal logo plate and presses it onto fabric with high precision. Adjustable temperature and press time allow work with cotton, leather, and synthetics. Productivity reaches 300 to 500 items per hour, with power consumption around 1.5 to 2 kilowatts. Prices range from $2,000 to $5,000 depending on work area and features. This press is perfect for souvenir shops, small corporate apparel producers, and custom textile studios. A compact sharpening machine makes it easy to maintain the sharpness of knives and various tools. The device works with kitchen, hunting, and gardening knives, providing accurate and consistent sharpening thanks to an adjustable angle and various abrasive discs. The cost of household models ranges from $200 to $400. This machine is suitable not only for personal use, but also for offering services to professionals, restaurants, cafes, or private clients in need of quality sharpening. With active work and multiple clients, you can earn up to $500 to $1,200 per month, depending on the number of orders and tool complexity. For those who want to create unique items from wood, acrylic, or leather, a mini laser engraver is a real find. The machine uses a laser beam to burn images, logos, or inscriptions onto various surfaces with high precision. It works with designs and images uploaded from a computer, and the materials include wood, leather, plastic, and acrylic. The engraver's size allows it to be used at home, and the cost of such models usually ranges from $250 to $500. Potential profits depend on creativity and demand for the products. Small souvenirs, keychains, or decorative panels can be sold locally or online. The main advantage is the ability to create complex and detailed works that are difficult to do by hand. Fresh microgreens right from your windowsill are more than just a trend. It's an eco-friendly way to get vitamins year-round. The mini farm is a compact module with lighting, trays, and an irrigation system. It's used to grow cress, radish, peas, sunflower, and other crops. LED lighting simulates daylight, while automatic watering maintains the proper moisture level. These kits cost around $250 to $400. A microgreens growing kit is ideal for those who want to grow greens for themselves, restaurants, or farmers markets without needing a large space or complicated care. Quality curing is the key to a perfect finish in resin crafts and nail art. A UV lamp quickly and evenly hardens materials, preventing stickiness and air bubbles. It's used by artists who make jewelry, figurines, keychains, or decorative coatings. Compact models cost $50 to $150, consume minimal energy, and fit easily on a workspace. With this lamp, you can speed up production of handmade goods without sacrificing quality, boosting both efficiency and output. Nail production is a business that's easy to enter and carries minimal risk. You will need a special machine and a workspace. The machine automatically forms, cuts, and sharpens nails from wire of different diameters. The cost starts at $10,000. Productivity: up to 2,000 nails per minute, which ensures high production volumes. It's ideal for construction enterprises and fastener suppliers. When selling nails wholesale, profit can reach $6,000 to $8,000 per month. Enco Nail Machines by Encotech use a rotary manufacturing system that offers higher stability, faster speeds, and lower maintenance than traditional nail making machines. Capable of producing up to 2,500 nails per minute, they're ideal for medium and short production runs. A built-in feed system and helical bevel gear motor ensure precise, smooth operation, while a non-contact sensor allows automatic speed adjustment. Quick tool changes and an intuitive interface minimize downtime. Nails up to 90 millimeters in length can be produced, depending on material. These machines are energy efficient, quiet, and environmentally friendly. Backed by Encotech's 40+ years of experience, full support is provided. More info is available on the official ENKOTEC website. HZPK Automatic Packaging Machine is a compact, efficient solution for packing bulk products like spices, nuts, seeds, and tea. It handles 1 to 100 gram portions with 0.2 gram accuracy, helping reduce waste and boost profits. With dimensions of 48 by 74 by 141 centimeters and an 80 kilogram frame, it fits in small spaces and is easy to move. The machine automates filling, sealing, and counting cutting labor costs. Priced at $656 or less for bulk orders, it can generate $1,200 in net profit per hour when packaging 3 units with a $2 margin. Even at 3 to 4 hours of use daily, ROI takes just a few weeks. Available on Alibaba. The commercial gas and electric rotary oven is a powerful, efficient baking solution for bakeries and pastry shops. With 360-degree hot air circulation, it delivers even, consistent results, crucial for quality baked goods. Its stainless steel build ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the 16-tray capacity, 400 by 600 millimeters, can bake up to 50 kilograms of bread per hour. The oven operates up to 400 degrees Celsius, allowing for a wide range of recipes. Priced at $4,900 or $3,800 for 3+ units, it pays for itself in about 2 months with 200 buns sold daily at $2 each and a 150% markup. Available on Alibaba.
Subscribe to Business Money, hit the like button, and don't forget to check out our other videos. Your journey to business success starts here.
Welcome to Business Money. In this episode, we explore compact but powerful machines that can transform your workspace into a small, efficient production hub.